Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of unique wooden handmade art. Wood has been a fundamental medium for artists and craftsmen for centuries, and its versatility allows for an incredible range of creativity and expression. In this video, we'll explore the rich history of wooden art, the various types that exist, the techniques used by artisans, and even how you can get started on your own woodworking journey. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this artistic adventure together. Wood has been used as a medium for artistic expression since ancient times. From the intricate carvings found in ancient temples to the functional yet beautiful furniture crafted during the Renaissance, wood has played a pivotal role in human creativity. In many cultures, wooden art is not just about aesthetics, it carries deep cultural significance. For example, in African cultures, carved wooden masks are often used in ceremonies and rituals, representing spirits or ancestors. In Asia, woodblock printing has been a traditional method for producing art and literature for centuries. As we move into modern times, techniques have evolved dramatically. While traditional hand carving remains popular, many artists now incorporate modern technology such as laser cutting and CNC machines to create intricate designs that were once unimaginable. When we think about wooden art, we often picture sculptures or carvings, but the reality is much broader. Let's take a closer look at some of the different types of wooden handmade art. Carvings and sculptures, these are perhaps the most recognizable forms of wooden art. Artists can create anything from lifelike animal figures to abstract shapes that challenge our perceptions. Decorative pieces, these include wall hangings, ornaments, and other decorative items that enhance our living spaces. They often showcase intricate designs and craftsmanship. Mixed media art, some artists combine wood with other materials like metal, glass, or fabric to create unique pieces that tell a story or convey a message. The techniques employed in wooden art vary widely depending on the artist's style and the intended outcome. Traditional hand carving involves using chisels and knives to shape the wood into the desired form. This method requires patience and precision but allows for a personal touch that many collectors cherish. On the other hand, modern techniques like laser cutting enable artists to achieve intricate designs with remarkable precision. This method can produce complex patterns that would be incredibly time-consuming to carve by hand. Finishing techniques are equally important in woodworking. Staining can enhance the natural beauty of the wood grain, while painting can add color and character to a piece. Varnishing provides protection and gives the artwork a polished look. Every woodworker needs a set of essential tools to bring their vision to life. Some basic tools include chisels, saws, sanders, and drills. Safety equipment such as goggles and masks is crucial to protect against dust and debris. Maintaining your tools is vital for ensuring they last long and perform well. Regular sharpening of blades and proper storage can make a significant difference in your woodworking experience. So how does one go from an idea to a finished piece? The creative process typically begins with inspiration. This could come from nature, architecture, or even other artworks. Once an idea is formed, sketching out designs helps clarify the vision. Next comes planning the construction process. This involves selecting the right type of wood, determining dimensions, and deciding on techniques to be used. Finally, it's time to bring everything together through carving, shaping, sanding, and finishing. As artists create beautiful pieces from wood, it's essential to consider sustainability. The impact of deforestation is significant, so many artisans are committed to using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood. This not only helps preserve our forests but also adds character to each piece. By choosing sustainable practices, artists contribute positively to the environment while creating stunning works of art. Let's take a moment to highlight some incredible artists who have made their mark in the world of wooden handmade art. One such artist is Artist Name, known for their breathtaking sculptures that blend traditional techniques with contemporary themes. Another notable figure is Artist Name, whose furniture designs have gained international acclaim for their innovative use of materials and form. Include interviews or quotes if available. If you're inspired by what you've seen today and want to start your own woodworking journey, here are some tips for beginners. Start small, choose simple projects that allow you to practice basic skills. Invest in quality tools, a few good tools can make a big difference in your work. Join a community, connecting with other woodworkers can provide support and inspiration. Explore resources. There are countless books and online courses available to help you learn. As we wrap up today's exploration of unique wooden handmade art, I hope you feel inspired to delve into this beautiful craft, whether as an artist or an admirer. Remember that every piece tells a story, reflecting not only the skill of the creator but also the rich history of wood as an artistic medium. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on art and creativity, and share your thoughts or experiences with wooden art in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today.